Good day, ma'am. I am Justin Diba, and as a group, we've decided to develop a business concept centering around sustainable fashion. So our choice is driven by several factors. So muni amo ang group discussion. It's all about sustainable fashion. So first, sustainable fashion has a lot of chances to try new things. For example, making clothes from materials that break down naturally, or using smart way to reuse the resources. This new idea match with the idea of using technology to manage businesses in a way that's good for the environment. So kanina idea, gamito na mo ang mga butang na ways to create new things like sinina or sakunsa mga sapatos. So ang basura to something that useful is a very good idea for business because it help environment, and kanina idea is bag-o po siya, no? Starting a business in a sustainable fashion is a good idea because it's not many people. So gamay lang gid ang gamit na, or gamay lang gid ang mga tao na nagahimo ani. We can use what we know about managing technology and mix with sustainability to create something special that the customer will like. This can help our business to do well and make a positive impact. So kanina topic or kanina business plan is related ni siya or connected ni siya sa amuang course because sustainable fashion connected with this because it involves using technology wisely to make eco-friendly clothing. Starting a sustainable fashion business can be a smart choice because it matches kung sa mo na-learn sa mong course, and it is a growing field with a lot of potential for success. By the way, ma'am, kaniya mo is duha lang gid mi sa isa ka grupo kay wala namin nakita tanan na may grupo, so naka-decide mi na duha lang mi kay para mapasa po namo ni dayon sa imuha. And unta masabtan nimo, ma'am, og salamat sa tanan. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Joey Diva. So, our discussion is all about sustainable fashion. So, first, course relevance. Sustainable fashions intersects with various aspects of Bachelor of Science and Technology Management, BSTM curriculum. It involves technology-driving solution for eco-friendly materials, supply chains management, e-commerce platforms, and marketing strategies tailored to environmentally conscious consumers. Sustainable fashions connect well with a Bachelor of Science and Technology Management (BSTM) curriculum. It involves using technology for eco-friendly materials, managing supply chain, creating e-commerce platforms, and designing marketing strategies for environmentally aware customers. So, market demand. There is a growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products, including clothing. Consumers are become more conscious of the environmental and social impact of their purchases, leading to the shift towards sustainable fashions, including choice. So, more people looking for eco-friendly options, including clothing. They care more about how their purchase affect the environment and society. So this has led to a rise and demand for sustainable fashions.